Method 1. Via Diskpart. Diskpart is a built-in utility for Windows system. You can format, resize, delete disks and create new partitions through some input commands. Type Diskpart in the search box and launch it. Type the following commands one in turn and press Enter each time. 0 refers to the disk that will be partitioned. It means create a 100,000 megabytes, which is 100 gigabytes partition. Select the partition you just created. Format the partition as NTFS. Assign a drive letter to the partition you created. Method 2. Via Disk Management. Disk Management is another Windows built-in tool. It is much simpler and easier than Diskpart. But it also has many limitations. Right-click on Windows to open Disk Management. Right-click the partition and click Shrink Volume. In the popped window, you can see the total size of the volume. Save the default shrink size or specify the final partition size by entering in megabyte. Right-click the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume, then follow the instructions to create a new partition. If the size of this MBR disk is larger than 2 terabytes, the new simple volume will be grayed out, because MBR disk only supports up to 2 terabytes space. In this case, you can convert the disk to GPT. Although the built-in tools can partition a hard drive, there are some limitations. For those users who are unfamiliar to the commands of Diskpart, or your target drive is a MBR drive larger than 2 terabytes, I recommend an easier tool. This tool neither requires the complicated commands, nor limited by the size of the drive. You can merge, shrink, delete partitions on your hard drive in a user-friendly interface. You can also convert the disk with its powerful functions. To effectively partition a hard drive, it provides you with 3 different methods. Split partition will split a large drive into smaller drives. Allocate free space can extend a partition with unallocated space. Create partition is also an easy method. If you find it useful, please hit the link in the description to download it. Method 3. Allocate free space. If one partition on the hard disk is almost full, here take the C drive as an example, and another partition has a lot of free space, then Allocate Free Space feature can help you directly allocate the free space to another partition. You can also split a larger partition into 2 smaller partitions. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.